How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. So let's get started. First of all, open up Snapchat in your mobile device and make sure that your application is updated. And once you log into your account, now tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Now again tap on gear icon from the top right corner. You will land in your settings page. Here scroll down a bit. Under your My Account section, there is an option as notifications. Tap on that and scroll down a bit, and from here you have to make sure that there's two options as Vibrate and sound is checked on. If you have unchecked that, then simply tap on that and you have to make sure to check that. Once you're done with this, now head back to your device settings, open up the settings, and from this setting page tap on apps. From here tap on see all apps, and under this all apps you have to look for Snapchat. Then go to Snapchat. So from here, first of all, tap on permissions. Here make sure that you have allowed all the permissions for Snapchat. If not, simply tap on that and then allow the permission. And if you're done with that, again go back and tap on notifications. Scroll down a bit and then make sure that you have allowed all the notifications in this interface as well. If your notification is turned off, simply turn on your notification and make sure to turn on all these toggles right here. Now go back once again and then tap on storage and cache. From here, simply tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will sometimes help to remove any kind of issue due to your application in your mobile device. Now again go back, then tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. If you open up the Snapchat and play any of your video, then your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix Snapchat video sound not working. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.